Hey guys, Joe Smith here. Joe Smith wants to share some more stuff that Joe knows how to do here. Replacing the fitting on the airline here because the other one was all, here it is. The other one was all chewed up, rounded over. Had to put in vise just to unscrew it. Try and change out the couplers and couldn't get the coupler unscrewed because it's so dang rounded over, so just went ahead and got a brand new one to put on here to screw the new coupler to. Usually come with, or you see them with this style hose clamp here, which kind of old-fashioned, tried and true, fairly reliable. But sometimes, especially on the smaller ones, they get stripped out a little bit and end up leaking or coming loose, jump a groove or jump a thread or something. So Joe Smith likes to use these PEX clamps on airlines, oil lines, transmission cooler lines, oil cooler, power steering cooler lines. Joe Smith's been using them several years in trucks and that, especially high pressure. Joe Smith had single one fail. Joe Smith got tired of replacing hose clamps or tightening the old-fashioned hose clamps on one truck. They just took all them hose clamps off and swapped them over to these, and had a lick of problem since on that truck. There's several sizes to choose from. Joe Smith thinks he's got the right size here. And then this is PEX clamp pliers. And they just ratchet together, and once you got tight, and then it releases. But it won't release until you got tight enough, unless you hit the release lever. So it kind of lets you know when you got it set just right, and then it'll automatically release. Just start with it wide open here. The phone, let me get something here. Got started. Boom. And then releases. Right there. You got one hell of a clamp. And to get off, you either have to cut with a grinder, or they got a tool that they make to take them off too with that. But Joe Smith has a tool, but it's usually just easier to cut with the grinder, or else just cut the holes back a little bit and then cut off with the grinder or something. But that thing is tight. It will not leak now. You don't have to worry about coming loose. Don't have to worry about slipping, nothing. It's on there. That clamp and that seal will outlast the rest of this hose now. So you can get the clamps and the tools at your local Lowe's, Home Depot probably. Joe Smith got them at the Lowe's. And probably other hardware stores, stuff like that too. Online, Amazon, Shirley. So, just want to let you guys know about that stuff there. Now we can get the Teflon tape on there and screw on our new coupler. So, thanks for watching. It's been Joe Knows with Joe Smith. Joe Smith signing out.